Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and today we're going to make a pair of very simple earrings. So I am actually filming this tutorial for the Virtual Blythe Retreat that is airing June 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th of 2024. And these are the earrings that I'm going to show how to make. Originally, they are actually for a Blythe doll. And she's going to be a mermaid. So they're kind of like mermaid earrings. I'm using these little mermaid beads. But they're perfect if you, as a human, want to wear them. And what you need to make these earrings, I used 4 6mm beads. And you can go of your choice. Now, if you're part of the Blythe Retreat, there were kits that you could get. And everything was in there except for the wire. So 4 6mm beads, and if you look closely, there is a little small spacer bead. They call them daisy beads. So you need 2 of those. You need ear wires, and you need some wire. I'm actually using this wire right here for these earrings I'm making. It is silver tone 20 gauge aluminum craft wire. And you can get, wire at Hobby Lobby. You can get it at Michael's. Walmart carries this type of craft wire. This actually came from BeeBeeCraft. And for your tools, you're going to need flat nose pliers. You're going to need some wire cutters and round nose pliers. Oh, one other thing too, you do need a ruler. So the first thing we're going to do is take our wire, and I'm going to cut a 4-inch piece. Like that. And then I'm going to cut another 4-inch piece. We are actually going to make our head pins. So I have 2 4-inch pieces of 20 gauge wire, 2 ear wires, and I have 4 of these really pretty glass mermaid beads. They're 6mm. And then I've got some spacer beads. Now these spacer beads are different than these. But this time this is what I'm using. You can change the look of your earrings depending on what type of beads you use. So let's make our head pin. I'm going to take our round nose pliers, and at the very end, the smallest portion of your round nose pliers, you're just going to grab your wire, and then you're going to just twist a loop. I go a couple of times around, like that, and then I'm going to grab this and just draw the wire up. So we have a little putter or golf club there. And then we're going to take this end, put it in the hole, and just pull it tight. And it makes a knot at the end there. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is get our beads. We're going to put one of our 6mm beads, our spacer bead, and another 6mm bead, and then we're just going to wrap a messy loop. Now we have quite a bit left here, and as you notice on here, I wrapped a pretty good messiness there, and that's how I've designed it. I like that look, and that's what we're going to do here. Now if you didn't want that big bulky wrap, 3 inches would be plenty for this. Like I said, I wanted mine to be a pretty thick wrap there. So I'm taking my round nose pliers and I'm grabbing them a little further down from the narrowest part, and I'm leaving a little gap there, and I'm just going to bring my wire around, and I'm just going to start wrap until I either run out of wire or I get the look that I like, which I used it all. And then, see how there's a little end there? We don't want that sticking out, so we're going to grab our flat nose pliers and just carefully bend it in. And I'm feeling around to see if it's poking anything. It's not. And then I'm going to grab my ear wire and carefully open it up and hang that on there, and whoop, didn't open it up quite enough. There we go. Close it back up. You want to make sure you close it up. You don't want to lose your little charm you just made. And there we go. We have our earrings all made. And like I said, depending on what beads you use, you can have a totally different look. You can use different color wire. You can mix your metals. And here's one of my Blythe dolls. This is Malabar. See how cute she looks in them? They're a really good size for her. And honestly, I'm going to put these on so you can see what they look like on a human. A very simple pair of earrings. Okay, where's the hole? There it is. There we go. So we have our little matching earrings. Thanks for joining me. Have fun making these. This is Terry Jeanette with Malabar signing out for now. Bye-bye.